case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Martin v. Martin, a 1994 case heard by the Kentucky Court of Appeals, the court determined that co-owners of a property do not have to pay each other rent unless they have been evicted or have an agreement specifying rent payments. The case stemmed from a dispute between Garis and Peggy Martin, who moved their mobile home onto a lot of a property in Pike County that they owned an undivided 1/8 interest in, along with Charles and Mary Martin, who owned an undivided 7/8 interest for their joint lives. The trial court granted an accounting of Garis and Peggy's claimed 1/8 portion of the net rent received by Charles and Mary, but required them to pay rent for the lot they occupied. Garis and Peggy appealed, arguing that one cotenant is not obligated to pay rent to another cotenant when occupying the same property. The Kentucky Court of Appeals agreed, reversing the judgment and finding that a cotenant is not liable to pay rent or account to other cotenants for the reasonable value of occupancy, absent an ouster or agreement to pay. The court ruled that tenants were only liable for rent if they exclusively possessed the entire jointly held property. The appellant's occupation of one lot didn't amount to an ouster, so they weren't required to pay rent. As a result, the Pike Circuit Court's judgment concerning the rent award was reversed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.